This is a brand new 2014 Audi S5. This car has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a sport-tuned suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.